Okay. Question number 3. So how did you do it?
So 8 small boxes equals x. 8 large boxes equals 100 each. So mangoes in the 8 large boxes.
So you have two type of boxes, each box of the larger type. So this is the larger type. Contains 4 mangoes and the number of mangoes contained in the smaller type. So this is the smaller type. So each box of the larger type contains 4 more mangoes than the number of mangoes contained. So each box of this larger contains 4 more mangoes than number of mangoes contained in 8 boxes of the smaller type. So I am assuming find the number of mangoes contained in the smaller box. I am assuming that the number of mangoes in the smaller box is m. So each larger box would have 4 more mangoes than the number of mangoes contained in 8 boxes of the smaller type. So 8 boxes of smaller type would have 8m mangoes. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? See, let us try to understand this question again. There are two types of boxes containing mangoes. So this is the larger box, this is the smaller box. Each box of the larger type, so this is the larger type, contains 4 more mangoes. Okay, it contains 4 more mangoes than the number of mangoes contained in 8 boxes of the smaller type. So I'm assuming that each smaller box contains m mangoes. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
Now each larger box contains 100 mangoes. So this larger box would have actually 100 mangoes. This would be equal to 4 plus 8m. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
M would be equal to 96 by 8. Therefore, M would be equal to 8 1 the 8 2 the. These are the number of boxes that these are the number of mangoes that the smaller box would be having. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, could you do 4th A?
Yes, sir.
How did you do it?
6x minus 5 is equal to 7. So 6x is equal to 7 plus 5. So 6x is equal to 12 by 6. So my x is 2.
So let us look at the question. When you multiply a number by 6, so I'm assuming the number to be x. So when you multiply a number by 6, I have multiplied it by 6 and subtract 5. I have subtract 5 from the product, this is a product, you get 7. I have got 7. Can you tell what number this is? So 6x would be equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Therefore, x would be equal to 2. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, could you do B part?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Y upon 3 plus 5 equals 8. So y upon 3 equals 8 minus 5. So y equals 3, so 9.
Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what is a number? 1/3 of which? So I'll assume the number to be y. Now 1/3 of this number is 1 by 3y. Add it to 5. I'll add 5. Gives 8. This is 8. So 1/3 y is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Y would be equal to 9. Satya, have you got this answer? Y is equal to 9?
Yes, sir.